how to change your region in Roblox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country within your Roblox account. And this will work on any device, including a PC, iPhone, Android phone, Chromebook, anything like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is navigate to roblox.com, log into your account, and then go up and select the gear in the top right of Roblox to open up the menu. From there, select Help and Safety. And then once in Help and Safety, select Help Center. Once here, you just want to go down and select Roblox account. And then what I recommend doing is going to the search box right here and just typing location. You should see account location come up, select that. You can read through this information here, but there is no setting that we can change to actually update our location. We need to submit a support ticket for Roblox to actually change our location. So scroll down and select Need More Help, Contact Support here. Once here, enter the account information for your account, such as your username, your email address, things like that, and then go down to a device type, select your device that you're currently on, then go down to type of help category, select that, and then we need to scroll down a little bit, select how to, and then in the subcategory, select change my location. From there, just write a small sentence that says, I have changed my location to the location you want your account changed to, but my account still shows your old location. Update these so that your new location and your old location are in this sentence. Check the description, I'll have it down there for you, and then submit this ticket. Roblox will then get back to you in a couple days, and they should update your account location to the new preferred location. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.